Mga katihik! Usapang direct employer na naman tayo. Welcome to my US journey, how I did my 9 months process from passing NCLEX to flying to USA. Most of you are asking me kung paano ba ako nag-apply ng direct employer. But before ko sagutin yung mga tanong, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo what are the 2 things to consider before kayo mag-sign ng contract sa isang direct employer para mapadali yung process nyo like my 9 months process. First one, your direct employer must have a current PWD. Kung hindi nyo alam kung ano ang current PWD, check my video. Then second one, ask them if they offer premium processing for your I-140. Kasi if regular processing lang ng I-140, it's gonna take 4 months to 14 months. But if they offer premium processing for your I-140, it's just gonna take 15 to 45 calendar days. Ang laki ng difference, di ba? Paano ba mag-apply ng direct employer as a USRN? Madaming agency na nag-offer ng direct employer like KATHihik, WWHS, and PRS Global at iba pa. Put in mind ha, during the interview, always ask them if yung mismong employer mo is yung hospital and not the agency. Kasi may nababasa din akong mga post na sinasabi nilang direct employer, pero pagdating ng contract, yung employer nila is yung agency. So make sure na yung employer nyo sa contract is the hospital or the facility that you'll be working in the US. There are 3 steps on how to apply direct employer. Our first step is look for a direct employer agency. As what I've discussed earlier, madaming agency na nag-offer ng direct employers like KATHihik, WWHS, and PRS Global. In that stage, i-interviewin ka nila. They'll ask about yourself and how many years are you working as a nurse. For me, when I applied, I had 4 years experience as an ER nurse. So our second step will be apply for a direct employer. If you will be hired by the direct employer agency, they will ask you which state do you like to work. Gusto mo bang magtrabaho sa hospital or facility? Yung stage na yan, interviewin na kayo ng hospital. They will ask about yourself, magbibigay sila ng situation, anong gagawin mo as an ER nurse. Actually, I just applied for one hospital at yun talaga yung hospital na gusto ko. And luckily, with God's help, God's grace, na-hire naman ako on my first interview with them. And if you're hired, our third step will be sign a contract. So, sa contract talagang i-check nyo kung ano yung mga linagay doon. Thank you and goodbye! See you soon!